Hey, gals and guys, this is Christopher Mosher from MyMediaHelper.com, and today what I'm going to do is I have a computer behind me just like this in multiple pieces because I already took it apart. So this video is going to be me taking it apart, me pulling the drive, and me getting the information off this drive. This was given to me a long time ago by a friend, and I just happened to get around to it today to do that. So yeah, it's pretty much worthless piece of shit. It's a great doorstop. Good job, Apple. It's an iMac doorstop. So the video is not the best of quality, and it's going to be edited very limited. So it's not going to be a quick tutorial, but it is taking this piece of shit apart and grabbing that drive and seeing what's on it. So if you're in a situation such as this, if you have an Apple product, if you have an iMac, and all you have to do once you pull the iMac drive, it's got an on the drive, it's got a Apple iMac operating system on it. Okay, how do you read it? If you have Windows 10, if you have Windows 11, and I'm going to show you all that in this video. Sorry, it's not best produced video in the world, but it gets to the point. So let's do it now.
Hey guys and gals, it's Christopher Mosher from MyMediaHelper.com, and I don't really have a good place to do this, so why not do it right here? It's a good enough place as any. What I'm going to do is this beast. I'm going to open this up and pull the drive, see if I can find out what's on the drive. So this won't boot up. I've tried multiple ways, so this is not a video about how to boot this computer up, and this is an Apple, and let's see if we can get this puppy open and see what's inside. So all I want to do is pull the drive. So to start with, whoosh. Hell getting old. Let's see what we got here. So I recommend getting some type of kit like this, because sometimes you just have some obscure bits, and then you gotta find the right freaking one. All right, so luckily I went through some of these, and I didn't go through them all to get to the end. I only went through like 6. Usually my luck, I would like go through them all, and the last one was the one that I needed. But this is working good. So get these screws out of here. It's still a bulky piece of shit. I don't know. What am I to say? All right, great, fantastic. So I'm not sure what that is. Is that RAM or is that a solid? It's not a solid state drive, is it? I will be surprised if that is. I don't know. I've never opened one of these babies up. Let's get this going here. Something bigger. Still something bigger. Something bigger. All right. So these are like some 5-star type screws. I don't know what they're called. Maybe you people are more smarter than I am, which is probably every single one of you knows what they're called. I do not. I just open shit and wiggle shit and hope it works. Don't do technical jargon. Doohickey and whatever what it is my the extent of my technical jargon. Let's see any other screws. Oh, take this out. This looks like a cordless. It's for a cordless device. So. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh my God! Look at that fucking dust in this fucking thing. Holy fucking schmangoli. Look at that crud that's in here. Look at this. That's nasty. No wonder this fucking thing doesn't fucking work. It's fucking nasty. Why do you need 20 different fucking screw bits to get this shit off of here? It shouldn't be that way. It shouldn't be that way, Apple. Pick a screw and stick to it. Pick 2 screws and stick to it. Not fucking multi numbers of different screws. Found the bit for this. Obviously, I wouldn't be unscrewing it with it. Get that out of the equation. Alright. Get this out of here. There we go. Just rip that fucker right out of there. So, not sure what this is. I'm assuming this is RAM. Oh, bunch is nasty. Ew, look at that. Ew. Ew. Oh, God. Ah, this is screwy. I've never been in a one unit combo, a computer combo with everything into one. I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure how old this thing is. I'll have to look it up. We'll have to look it up together and see what exactly. All right, here's another one. Jesus, what the fuck is that? Is that the drive? All right, so what else are we connected to still here? Jesus Christ almighty. What's that connected to? I don't know. All I want is the fucking drive. This looks like the drive right here. Why isn't it? This does look like the drive. How the fuck is that connected? Let's get this shit out of here. Yeah, this is the drive. This is the SATA drive. So let's get the drive out of here because that's really what I want. I don't care about the unit itself. I don't work on Macs. I don't know that much about Macs. I've used Mac laptops before. Certainly never used a Mac desktop like this. I do have a drive reader, but I also have Windows computers. So you probably know better than I do if my external drive reader is going to read this, and if I can get some type of emulator to read it. I'm not really sure what to expect as far as that is concerned.
All right, so I did a review of this product. It's actually a video that I just posted like last week sometime. So this is the external hard drive reader. Now this is an iMac or an iPad or an iMac or whatever the fuck this thing is called. iPad, iMac, or I guess iPads are iMac. iPads are laptops, obviously, I guess. So I'm going to stick this in here. I'm assuming that's all I need as far as that is concerned. And so, like I said, it's an external hard drive reader, and this is a Mac. I'm on a Windows 10 machine. So at this point, do I know what I'm doing? Do I ever know what I'm doing? No. I'm not sure if this will read it or not. I doubt it. I'll probably need some type of emulator or something of that in there. All right, so we have power on that. We got our USB connection, but if you're going to use USB connection, make sure you plug the USB into the into the unit you want to connect it to. Okay, so here we go, like so. Turn the power on, and then here's. All right, so just so that's going in here. Just to reiterate, really, this goes in here. Make sure you line up the pins, not to bend anything. Make sure it's in good without forcing it. Okay, now things are going to slow down once this thing starts. So once I turn on the power button, it starts reading the drive. I just want to make sure everything's in place. All right, power's on. I can hear the drive spinning. Put that on the floor. All right, and then we're gonna. So I tried two programs here. I tried this Mac Drive 10. I couldn't get it going to do anything. And I tried this HFSExplorer. So this actually worked good. So how I got this going is I went to File, clicked on here. Actually, this is going pretty quick. So you can you can use the drop down. This would be disk 1. Hard disk 1, partition 1, I do believe, but you can also auto detect. Okay. So it's taken its sweet time to auto detect, which makes me think, okay, found one. Partition, so partition 8 there. We're going to give that an okay. That's a Macintosh HD. Here's our files. So it's slow going. What's most important on this drive for this particular lady is her kids' pictures. And it takes a second. It's really, really slow. So it is going to take some patience. I just want to show one file. If we can get to one file, that'd be great. So while we're waiting here, what I did is, if you can see, there's a Mac file right here. So that's where I'm putting any of the pictures that I find. So hopefully I'll find one quick for you. Let's go to library. Let's go to image capture. Let's see if that will open for us. Maybe let's get this. Let's open this. Can we open this all the way? That would be helpful. Okay. So services, preferences, printers, screensavers, scripts. How about user pictures? Okay, these are probably came with the system, I'm assuming. That's all right. This is just for instance. So let's get this butterfly. Let's extract. Desktop is where I created the folder. So I just created, right? You just right click, you put new folder, name it whatever you want. And then this particular one, I just named it Mac. So I'm going to extract that to the Mac folder. All right, let's go into the Mac folder. And of course, it's got to open on my other freaking screen. So here's the butterfly that we just brought over. Here's some pictures that I've already extracted from. So this kid is, I think she's like 18 now or something like that. I think this system is from 2006. So what do you think she's there? 3 years old, 4 years old? And 2006 is what? Shit. It's a long time ago. So it makes sense. The math kind of makes sense to me. So I mean, those are images, precious images that have been on that disk, and I can get those out to her. And that's it, guys and gals. You just got to take your time with this. It does take a lot of memory on your computer, and yeah, I'm just going to go through each file as I can and see what image capture, if I get anything. All right, well, that's it, gals and guys. That's what we do in IT, I guess, right? We try to figure things out as we go along, and we film a video while we do it. I don't know, for our YouTube channel. So I hope you got something out of this. We ripped the drive out of an Apple machine, and we were read it with our Windows. I think I misspoke. It's Windows 11. It's not Windows 10, but I don't think it makes it much of a hell of a difference. And I'll have to go back and go through that drive when I got some time, see what I can pull off it. But at least you know how to do that if you're ever wondering how to do that. And I appreciate you as always. If you could please subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that. If you could please like this video if you liked it. Hey, if you didn't like it, what the hell? Like it anyways. And share this with whomever would give two shits. And bell. There's always a bell. There's always a bell at the end that you hit, and then you get updates and all that stuff. All right, gals and guys, off to make another video, I suppose, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.